2025 Aprilia RS 660 Factory First Look, 10 Fast Facts. Mia had always dreamed of owning an Italian sport bike, something that combined cutting-edge performance with unmistakable style. The Aprilia RS 660 had caught her eye before, but when Aprilia announced the 2025 RS 660 Factory Edition, her excitement hit a new level. She cleared her schedule to watch the live reveal, heart-pounding as the first images of the sleek new machine appeared on screen. The announcer dove right in, unveiling everything that made this factory edition stand out. Fast fact number 1, more power. The 2025 RS 660 Factory came with an upgraded version of the 660 cubic centimeters parallel twin, now making 105 horsepower. Aprilia had fine-tuned the engine for more mid-range punch, perfect for Mia's weekend canyon rides and the occasional track day. Fast fact number 2, Öhlins suspension. Replacing the standard Showa setup, the factory model sported fully adjustable Öhlins suspension front and rear. It was a serious upgrade that promised razor-sharp handling and plush ride quality, whether Mia was carving corners or blasting down the straights. Fast fact number 3, lightweight wheels. Aprilia had fitted forged aluminum wheels, reducing unsprung weight for quicker turn-in and better agility. Mia imagined how effortlessly the bike would tip into bends. Fast fact number 4, top-shelf brakes. Brembo Stylema calipers and larger rotors ensured incredible stopping power. With cornering ABS included, Mia knew the bike would be as safe as it was fast. Fast fact number 5, winglets for stability. New integrated aerodynamic winglets added downforce at high speeds, improving stability during fast riding. It was a small but crucial touch, inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP machines. Fast fact number 6, enhanced electronics. The factory model came with Aprilia's full electronics suite, multi-level traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, cornering ABS, quickshifter, and launch control. All of it managed by a precise 6-axis IMU. Fast fact number 7, racing ergonomics. Aprilia revised the riding position slightly, with lower clip-ons and a taller rear set to optimize cornering clearance, just what Mia wanted for her next track session. Fast fact number 8, premium finish. The factory edition debuted a new carbon black and racing red colorway with matte accents and a brushed aluminum frame. Mia couldn't take her eyes off the aggressive, race-ready look. Fast fact number 9, lightweight battery. A new lithium-ion battery helped shave weight, bringing the bike's curb weight to a nimble 366 pounds, ideal for Mia's size and riding style. Fast fact number 10, track ready from the box. Aprilia offered an optional track kit with a race ECU and high-performance exhaust, making it easy to take the RS 660 Factory from street to circuit with minimal fuss. As the presentation wrapped up, Mia felt her pulse race. Aprilia had outdone itself, turning the already brilliant RS 660 into a true middleweight marvel. She grabbed her phone and texted her riding group, "This is it. 2025 is the year I go full factory." For Mia, the RS 660 Factory wasn't just a bike, it was her ticket to the next level of performance, and she couldn't wait to hit the throttle.